Hello, good morning everyone. I welcome you all of you to the lecture Web Designing and Analytics. Today we are going to discuss about the descriptive list. Description list. There in previous lecture we already discussed some list, order list, unorder list. In order list, there automatically the number take through the browser itself, though we have not added the numbers in the code of HTML. We find that. Now today we are going to discuss the description list, which is used for any type of name value pair such as terms and their definitions, questions and answers, or their types. For description list we can use for add the question and their answer, definition and their terms we can add with the help of descriptive lists. Their structure is a bit different from both the list, from the order list as well as from the descriptive list. This is somewhat different. Whole description list is marked up as a DL, description list. We use their element DL. Such type of element we use for description list. The content of DL is some number or DT element we can indicate. DT indicate the names, and DD also we can use. DD element for their descriptive values. I find it help to think of them as term, to remember the T in the DT and definition for the D in DD. This is the term and this is the definition and this is the list. DL is the descriptive list, DT is the descriptive term, and DD is the descriptive definition. Only one use for description list in HTML5. You see one example which is associated typesetting with the description. Figure 5 and 6. Here DL, description list, description term, linotype and description term close here. Description definition. What is linotype? Linotype is the line cast, allow type to be select, use them, circulated. This is the content of the definition about this linotype. Such type of definition and their term and their definition we can write with the help of descriptive list. Is it understanding? Is it visible to you? Yes, Dhananjay?
Yes, sir.
Description term. Photo composition. Photo composition is the description term and their definition we have written here DD. In DD, what is photo composition? The typeface are stored on film, then projected onto the photosensitive paper. This is the definition of this term. So for writing the term we have to use descriptive definition. For descriptive definition we are using like this tag. Also in digital you see here, and we can also use the paragraph like this. The graph and its early support on the Macintosh computer and Apple laser printers. You see, we need closing tag for this opening tag we use here, and this is the term close tag. If we started the term, then we have to use their term close tag. You find it practically is it working or not, and how its output will be looks. Now see their outputs. Its output will be look like the graphs that is early supported on Macintosh computer and Apple laser printer. Now see linotype, this is the term and their definition we have displayed here. Then photo compositions, this is the term and their definition we have displayed here. And at last digital type and their definition, and this is the second paragraph. We have used their paragraph tag in the digital type. 2 times we have used here, this you see P here and close here. Then again we have used here at postscript. So this we got the output. Figure 5.6, the default rendering of a definition list. Definition are set of from the term by an indent. There may be a question, what is DD, what is DT, and what is DL in the descriptive list. Then we should know this is description definition, description term, and description list. Description lists are used to type the name value pair such as term and their definitions. So we will find it practically, will it work or not. So just copy this code into the notepad. We are saving this file into our folder. Our folder is here. Web designer. Here CIT practicals. This list. ThisList.html. We saved this file as here as extension HTML. In browser we will check this, will it work or not. Akshay, Dhananjay, Gnanesh is there. Okay, Gnanesh, Akshay, we are checking the file description list.
Yes, sir.
This list.html. We have added the address at the URL in address bar of the browser and find it. There is error, file could not be accessed. Why? Maybe we have this list something we enter wrong. We find it at practical. This is the list 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 list. LIST is not mentioned here. Now see, the output is like this. Here in the digital type we have added paragraphs. So this after at last there you can see in the coding, you see we have added here paragraph tags. This paragraph tag we have closed here, and this paragraph tag we close there. We have closed at last this definitions. This definition, this is closed here, and after last description list is closed here. And their output we are finding here. Now see, the terms are linotype, photo composition, digital type, and their definitions are displayed in this. For this purpose we have to use description list tag, DL tag. Description list tag is used for definition and their term, for pairing the two things which we are using here. Output just we have seen. The description list element is only allowed to the content DT and DD. It is okay to have a multiple definition with one terms and vice versa. You cannot put the headings or content grouping element like paragraph in name DT. Put the value DD can contain any type of flow of content. Sectioning roots. The banquet is a category of element called section roots. Heading in a section roots element will not be included in the main document outline. That means you can have a complex heading hierarchy within a banquet without worry how it will affect the overall structure of the document. Other section root element include the figure detail, figure sets, or organization from field, DT, a table cell, and the body because it has its own outline which also help be the outline of the document. Sometime this is also used in the table tag like table heading, DH, and table data like this. But in the description list these terms are used as a description term, description definition, and description list. More content element. We have covered paragraph, heading, and the list, but there are few more special text element to added for your HTML toolbox that don't fit into next category. Long questions like banquet, perform text, or pre and figure and fig cap. One thing these elements do have in a common, they are considered grouping content in HTML5 along with the P and HR, the list element, and the generic div covered later in next chapter. The other things they share in the browser typically display them as a block element by default. There are some different tags we can use in the HTML5 with the description list that we will see later. But the long quotations we are looking, if you have a long quotation, a terminology or section of a copy from another source, you should mark it up as a block quotes element. It is recommended that the content with a backquote element to be a content in other elements such as paragraph, heading, or list as shown in the example. You see here how we can use this block quote. Block quote is the tag element which is used for getting the rendering all the output. There is also inline element Q for short quotation in the flow of text. We didn't talk about it later in this chapter. Now suppose we want like this output some definition and their subpoints, then we have to use the backquote tag. Now we will see this backquote tag. The output of this backquote tag is
by default value of tolerance 32. Please note down. This is new.
backquote
Tolerance value of is 32 by default. You can click on this area, blue color. So you can see automatically selected the remaining area of the stack.
we have seen blog.html
On shift key,
in practical, and therefore we are copying this address and will find its output in browser. Here we will find the output of this.
उसके बाद आप whatever you want scan कर सकते हैं. You can use this the background भी है. पीछे भी
blog.html. You see, we got one paragraph and then block code. If we use, then automatically it is shifted towards the away from margin. Are you getting this output? This figure shows the default rendering block quote example. This can be altered with CSS. We can also modify this. Suppose we want like this output, by using CSS we can do this. Now pre-formatted text. For pre-formatted text, you learn that browser ignore the white space such as line. Browser cannot give the line until we put their line break, or browser cannot accept the space. Suppose we have given space in the content, browser can't allow that. We have to use their element, we have to use their paragraph tag or tags. That can be, but in some time of information such as code example or poetry, the white space is important for conveying the meaning. For writing the poem or some content, there white space is required. It is a unique element. So there is the pre-formatted text element which is used for this is unique element, and that display the exactly as it is typed, including all the carriers return and multiple character space. By default, the pre-formatted text is also displayed in the constant width font, one which all the characters are in the same width, also called as monospace, such as courier. The pre-element in this example display as shown in 5.8 figure. That is the same content markup as a paragraph element. And for comparison, you see we have used here pre-tag, and there this is the space given. Now if we use this pre-tag, then our content will be displayed. Now we will see this practically. Is it giving us a proper output or not? Same kind is there used in the paragraph tag. Here we are using pre-tag. Now we are giving here space, as well as we are giving here space, as well as we are giving here suppose here space. Then this is we want here, this is we want here, suppose. Okay, if we use here p tag, paragraph tag, and we close suppose paragraph tag here, then you find the output of this document will pretty. We are saving pretty HTML in this folder, and we find the output of this here in browser. File name is remaining pre t print.html. Now see, this is an example of the text with a lot of curious space. This is an example text with lot of curious white space. We have typed like this, but the output is here, the output is getting like in a single line. Is it visible? Yes, Dhananjay, Akshay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are looking, the output is displayed in a single line, but if we use instead of p tag, pre-tag, then you see the output of this. Now I am
But sir,
copying this code. Yes,
we use a paragraph here, but in the output there is
pre-tag,
no.
pre-tag.
Yes, sir.
Pre-tag means pretext tag, pretext, pre for pretext. Now we are using here pretext tag, you see pre. Okay, then we are closing this pre and we'll find the output. We saved this, and now I will refresh this browser. Now see, first output is it visible or not?
Yes, sir.
For visibility increase, we can use here H1, or we can use this H1 at here and close H1. Then in browser the output will be bigger. Now see, this is paragraph. In paragraph tag, this is got in a single line, but if we use pretext tag, pretext means pre-tag, then the output as it is, how we have written in the code, is displayed. So such type of output we got. Pre-tag is used for predetermine the text. Figure 5.8 pre-formatted text is unique, that is the browser display the white space exactly as it is display type into the source document, and compare it to the paragraph element in which the line written and character space are reduced to a single space. We see in this with compare to the pre-tag, and this line space is reduced by the paragraph tag. Okay, Now next is the figure. If you understood pre-tag, we will move towards the figure. Is it understood, all of you? Pre-tag?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then figure tag. The figure element is used for the content that illustrate or support some point in the text. Suppose we want some point in the text, then figure tag we have to use. A figure may contain an image, a video, or a code snippet text, or even a table.
Next question is
Pretty much anything that can go in a flow of web content and should be treated as a reference as a self-contained unit. That means if a figure is removed from the original place
polygon
in the main flow
on the same tab.
to a sidebar or a appendix, for example, both the figure and the main flow should continue to make sense. Although it is possible to simply drop an image into the text or wrapping it in a figure tag make its purpose exactly clear, and it also allow you to apply a special style for figure but not to other images on the page. This is a code for figure. Suppose this is a figure suppose, and we want the content beside of that figure, then we can use their figure tag that will be allow content to beside that figure in the browser. As well as this we can use, suppose we have multiple figures in the document and we want to shift first figure. The name of first figure is 1 and we have shifted suppose that at last. Then what will happen there in output? The figure 2 will be appear at the first level, but their caption will not change. Their caption will display the figure 2 at the first level. So reduce that should be start from 1 because we have shifted one figure at the last in the appendix. Then this figure tab help us to automatically update the number of figures. Although it is possible to simply drop an image into the text and wrapping it a figure tag make it purpose exactly clear. Now you see the output. Suppose we have figure tag, and if figure is not displayed, then this message will be displayed there. Now we will see the output.
अभी most of the time क्या होता है, if you like an area, some abstract shapes or some area, आपको उस तरीके से डिजाइन करना है आपके डिजाइन से. आपको वो shape
We will save this file as a
आप किस तरीके से कर सकते हैं?
fig
You can just add an image.
.ht fig1.html. We will save this file fig1.html. This extension is must. To show the HTML file, we should use their HTML tag, and we will copy this address where this file is saved, and then we will go to the browser
Anywhere you want.
here, and we will paste here the address, and then the name of file is fig1.html.
ये भी option आपको
Now see the output is
option है. इस तरीके से भी आपको help होगी डिजाइन करने में.
what?
Brochures
Chart showing font of mobile device.
After that,
Means this output is not displayed. We can use their paragraph tag,
Slice to it is very important.
or we can use their to increase the font.
Just make the समजलंय का? Hello.
Here we can also use font tag, font
कसं shape copy करायचं कळलं काय आहे? Brochure
equal
मधून
to space in double quotation,
shape कसं copy
like
करायचं कळलं का?
suppose,
Brochure मधून कुठले आता?
32. Okay,
Hello.
we have saved this file and find the output.
आता हे बघा, इथं आपल्याला shape copy करायचा आहे कुठला. Suppose you want
It
to
is
copy
not
this
getting
shape.
here.
So you can just select the polygon tool, click on the points of that shape. So in the brochure, most of the shape are selected by polygon. Drag it. ये होगा select. Okay, then after that you have to create Control G, which is the duplicate. ये आप पहले duplicate. और आप क्या कर सकते हैं? आपको सिलेक्शन हो गया, create a new layer,
Source font
कलर भी कर सकते हैं. तो ये आपको मिल गया.
png.
ये आप यहाँ पे easily इस तरीके से ऐड कर सकते हैं. फिर अगर आपको जहाँ पे चाहिए वहाँ पे ऐड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है?
Okay, we will see this
इसीलिए यहाँ पे
later.
copy कर दें.
Before that, we will add image.
आ देंगे. इस तरीके से आप easily कोई भी abstract shape डिजाइन किए, आप easily copy करके उसको modify भी कर सकते हैं. Not only copy. How to modify? You can modify this shape by using Control T transformation. Click on the
Fig.
sort.
1.html.
इस तरीके से हम modify भी कर सकते हैं.
Now we want here image. Why image is not displayed?
समझ में आता है इसमें?
This is our code.
After that, get the name of this.
Gnanesh,
Yes, sir.
is this code visible to you?
Slice tool means what? Slice tool में हम use करते हैं puzzle design करने के लिए.
Right, sir.
या web design में.
This code is visible to you or not?
कोई भी field समझ के use करते हैं. Puzzle means
Yes, sir.
Okay.
magazines
Then
paper
why image is not displayed here?
हम उसको drawing करते हैं.
Here in output we need the image. The image name is
Cutting out करने के लिए पूरा हमारे Photoshop में अभी हम options आए उसके वजह से
pie chart. The image name is.
So उसको crop करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं?
Is it visible, Gnanesh?
Yes, sir.
What is the name of image? Here, what is this?
इसे बोलते हैं slice. अभी
Yes, is it visible to you?
slice को select करने के लिए क्या करना है?
Akshay?
Right click on that.
Yes, sir.
Slice,
What is this name?
slice, select.
PyChart PNG.
Slice.
Pychart.png. This is the name of image. This image is not in the folder where we have kept this code. Therefore, what is happening? Why image
Sir,
is not displayed here?
Image is not available on that folder. sir.
Yes, this name of this image is not available in our folder. Here is no like this image. So this problem is getting to us. So instead of this, we have to use any image. Now we are going to use a image. We have one image, this rose image. We will copy this rose image in a practical folder. We'll paste here. And now what we have to write here?
Sir,
Rose.
Rose.
Okay, I have written rose. The source of image is rose. Okay, its extension we don't know. We will find is there, it will display or not. Not displayed. What is problem now?
Sir, extension.
Extension. Maybe this image is the different extension. So what we have to do, we have to click on the image and go to the properties of image and find their
समोर
extension.
टाईप दिलेलं आहे सर समोर.
Huh. Yes, the type is given here, but some of the student are not know how to find their extension. Okay, Akshay, Jnanesh,
Yes, sir.
to find the extension of this image, we have to go to the properties and find their extension. We will get here. The type of image is JPG. JPG. So at here we need to change JPG. Now will it display? Dhananjay,
Yes sir.
now will it display? Yes, you see the image is displayed, figure is displayed. Okay, detail about the figure we will see in next lecture. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Huh. If you have any doubt till list and the pre-tag, you can ask list pre-tag as well as DD, DL and DT. Do you have
No
any
doubt, sir.
question regarding this? Yes, Jnanesh, Akshay.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. You can join another lecture. Bye.
Thank you, sir.